Hello everyone, welcome to Logarithms part 2. In part 1 we have studied about the different laws of logarithm, okay, and we have solved some problems related to the laws, different laws. Now in this part we will move to exercise 8C, okay. Open your book, page number 108, exercise 8C. I will be solving some problems. First is number 2, okay. Number 2, it is given that log 27 is equal to 1.431 and we have been given 2 bits, 2 questions, okay. If log 27 is equal to 1.431, then log 27 can be written as log 3 power 3. Then using the power law of logarithm, okay, 3 log 3 can be written log a power x is equal to x log a, okay. This was the power law of logarithm. So using power law we write 3 log 3 is equal to 1.431, log 3 is equal to 1.431 by 3, which is 0.477. So we got the value of log 3. Now let us move to the first bit, that is log 9. We have to find log 9 is equal to log 3 power 2, which is 2 log 3, again using power law of logarithm. Now 2 into 0.477 will give us 0.954. So this is the value of log 9. Next we have to find log 300, okay. Log 300 can be written as log 3 into 100, which is equal to log 3 plus log 100, product law of logarithm, okay. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B, okay. So log 3 plus log 100, log 3 is 0.477, and what is log 100? Base 10. Base is not given, means it is common logarithm, that means base is 10. Log 100 at the base 10 means 10 power what value will give us 100? 10 power 2. So log 100 at the base 10 is equal to 2, okay. So 0.477 plus 2 is equal to 2.477, okay. Now move to question number 8, first bit. Question number 8, first bit. We have to prove that log a whole square minus log b whole square is equal to log a by b into log ab. Let us start from LHS. Log a whole square minus log b whole square, okay, is equal to, it is in the form of x square minus y square. So x plus y into x minus y. So log a plus log b, log a plus log b whole into log a minus log b. Now log a plus log b is equal to log ab using product law of logarithm. Then log a minus log b is equal to log a by b using quotient law of logarithm, okay. So log ab into log a by b, which is RHS, hence proved. Move to number 9, first bit. Log a plus 1 is equal to log 4a minus 3 minus log 3, and we have to find the value of a, okay. Now log a plus 1, left hand side is already simple. Simply have to solve the right hand side, simplify the right hand side. Now it is in the form of log x minus log y. That means we can use quotient law of logarithm. So log 4a minus 3 whole by 3, okay. Now log cancel. A plus 1 is equal to 4a minus 3 by 3, okay. Bring 3 to the left. 3a plus 3 is equal to 4a minus 3. On solving you will get a is equal to 6, okay. On solving a is equal to 6. Move to number 10. It is given that log x is equal to 2m minus n, log y is equal to n minus 2m, log z is equal to 3m minus 2n. We have to find the value of log x square y cube by z power 4. Now it is in the form of log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. You can use quotient law. So log x square y cube minus log z power 4. Now this is in the form of log ab, okay, log ab. So you can use power law, product law of logarithm. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b. So log x square plus log y cube minus log z power 4. Now everywhere we will use power law. So 2 log x, then log y power 3 means 3 log y minus log z power 4 means 4 log z. Okay. So 2 log x plus 3 log y minus 4 log z. Now put the value of log x, log y and log z. Okay, from here. On putting the value we get 2 whole 2m minus 1, n plus 3 whole n minus 2m minus 4 whole 3m minus 2n. On expanding, on opening the brackets and simplifying, we will get 9n minus 14m. So this is the value of log x square y cube by z power 4. Move to number 11. It is given that log 25 at the base x minus log 5 at the base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by 125 at the base x, and we have been asked to find the value of x. X is the base here. Okay. On the left hand side we can use quotient law. So log 25 by 5 at the base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by 125 at the base x. I did not do anything on the right hand side. 25 by 5 is 5. So log 5 base x. Then we can take this minus log 1 by 25 at the base x to the left. We will get plus log 1 by 125 at the base x. Okay. So log 5 at the base x plus log 1 by 125 at the base x is equal to 2. Again we can use product law. So log 5 into 1 by 125 at the base x is equal to 2. On simplifying we will get 1 by 25. 5 into 1 by 125 is 1 by 25. So log 1 by 25 at the base x is equal to 2. Converting this to exponential form, x power 2 is equal to 1 by 25. Okay, x power 2 is equal to 1 by 25. So x is equal to square root of 1 by 25, that is 1 by 5. Okay, so x is equal to 1 by 5. So exercise 8c is over. Now some extra concepts on logarithm. Let log x base a is equal to m. Okay, now convert this to exponential form. We will get a power m is equal to x. As you can see, a power m is equal to x. Now simply a will be x power 1 by m. Okay, here a is the base, m is the power, x is the result. But here x is the base, 1 by m is the power, and a is the result. Okay, that is the difference. Okay. So x power 1 by m is equal to a. X is the base, 1 by m is the power, a is the result. Converting this back to logarithmic form, we get log a at the base x is equal to 1 by m. Let it be equation 2. So now multiply the two equations. Log x base a into log a base x is equal to, what was log x base a? M, from equation 1. What is log a base x? From equation 2, 1 by m. Okay, so m into 1 by m will get 1. So log x base a into log a base x is equal to 1. Remember this. Okay, means if you interchange the base and result and you multiply, you will get 1. Or in other words, we can say log x base a is equal to 1 by log a base x, or log a base x is equal to 1 by log x base a. Okay, just interchange the base and result. Okay, suppose log 16 base 2 is equal to 4, then log 2 base 16 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, that means we can say log 16 base 2 is equal to 1 by log 2 base 16. Okay, remember this important concept. Next, log a power x at the base a is equal to, using power law of logarithm, x will come to the left, x log a base a. x log a base a. What is log a base a? 1, because a power 1 is a. So x into 1, that gives us x. So remember this, log of a to the power x at the base a is equal to x only, the power. One more concept, log x base y, okay, log x base y is equal to log x by log y, by taking the same base, any base you can take. Log x base y, you can introduce a new base, suppose a. Log x base a is equal to log y base a. For example, log 67 at the base 5 is equal to log 67 at the base 2 by log 5 at the base, okay. Log 67 at the base 5 can be written as log 67 at the base 2 by log 5 at the base 2. You can introduce a new base, okay. Move to exercise 8D. Exercise 8D. Move to number 22. Number 22, okay. Evaluate 1 by log BC at the base A plus 1 plus 1 by log C at the base B plus 1 plus 1 by log AB at the base C plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by, look at here, okay, log BC at the base A plus 1 can be written as log A at the base A plus 1 by, check, okay, 1 by log C at the base B plus this one can be written as log B at the base B, then plus 1 by log AB at the base C plus this one can be written as log C at the base C. Now here we can use product law, log ABC at the base A. So 1 by log ABC at the base A plus, here also you can use product law, log ABC at the base B. 1 by log ABC at the base B plus, here also you can use product law, log ABC at the base C, log ABC at the base C, 1 by log ABC at the base C. Now a few minutes ago I told that log x base A is equal to 1 by log A base x, or 1 by log A base x is equal to log x base A, okay. So 1 by log ABC at the base A can be written as log A at the base ABC. Just interchange the base and result, okay. Similarly 1 by log ABC at the base B can be written as log B at the base ABC plus 1 by log ABC at the base C can be written as log C at the base ABC. Now you can see bases are same, so you can use product law here. Use product law, log ABC at the base ABC. What is log ABC at the base ABC? Means ABC power what is ABC? 1. Answer will be 1. Okay. So answer is 1. Next move to number 20. We have to prove that log M at the base A divided by log M at the base AB is equal to 1 plus log B at the base A. Start from LHS. Log M at the base A divided by log M at the base AB is equal to, now in place of log M at the base A we can write 1 by log A at the base M, interchange the base and result, divided by, same case here, log M at the base AB can be written as log AB, 1 by log AB at the base M, interchange the base and result. Now this divided can be changed to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of this. So 1 by log A at the base M into log AB at the base M by 1. So ultimately we get log AB at the base M by log A at the base M. Same base mm. Okay. So directly it can be written as log AB at the base A. This concept I had given a few minutes ago. Okay. Log x by log y is equal to log x at the base y is equal to log x by log y, or conversely log x by log y is equal to log x base y. So log AB base A. Now use product law here. Log a at the base a plus log b at the base b a. Log a at the base a is 1 plus this is as it is log b at the base a, which is RHS. Okay. Move to number 19, first bit. 19 first bit. Okay. Evaluate log a at the base b into log b at the base c into log c at the base a. Now log a at the base b, same. In place of log b at the base c, we can write 1 by log c at the base b, okay, into log c at the base a. Now this one you keep separate. This is log a at the base b by log c at the base b into log c at the base a. Same base, so we can write this log a at the base c. Okay, in the next step, log a at the base c into log c at the base a. You can see base and result are interchanged. A base c, c base a. So on multiplying you will get 1. Answer is 1. Second bit, log 8 at the base 3 divided by log 16 at the base 9. Now log 8 at the base 3 can be written as log 8 by log 3 base 10. Okay, base is 10, divided by log 16 at the base 9 can be written as log 16 by log 9 base 10, common logarithm. Okay. Now log 8 can be written as log 2 power 3, then by log 3 into log 16 can, sorry, this is division, this can be changed to multiplication. So we have to write log 9 by log 16, taking the reciprocal of this. Okay. Log 2 power 3 is 3 log 2 using power law of logarithm by log 3 into log 9 can be written as log 3 power 2, log 16 can be written as log 2 power 4. Okay, at the base 10. So 3 log 2 by log 3 into, again use power law, 2 log 3 by 4 log 2, okay. Log 3 cancel, log 2 cancel. Okay, then 2 2s are 4, 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, answer is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2, answer is 3 by 2. Third bit, we have to evaluate log 8 at the base 5 by log 16 at the base 25 into log 10 at the base 100. This can be written as log 8 at the base 5 into 1 by log 16 at the base 25 can be written as log 25 at the base 16. Then 1 by log 10 at the base 100 can be written as log 100 at the base 10. Interchange the base and result. Okay, because 1 by log x at the base y is equal to log y at the base x. Now log 8 at the base 5 can be written as log 8 at the base 5 can be written as log 8 by log 5. Log 25 at the base 16 can be written as log 25 by log 16. Log 100 at the base 10 means 10 power what value gives us 100, common logarithm. Okay, 10 power 2 gives us 100, so answer is 2, means its value is 2. Okay, so this is 2. Now log 8 means log 2 power 3, then by log 5 into log 25 means log 5 power 2 by log 16 means log 2 power 4 into 2. Okay, then use power law of logarithm, 3 log 2 log 5 into again power law, 2 log 5 by 4 log 2 into 2. Log 5 cancel, log 2 cancel, 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 by 4 cancel, 2 into 2 is 4, answer is 3. Now number 12, log x by log y is equal to 3 by 2, it is given. On cross multiplying we will get 2 log x is equal to 3 log y, or 2 log x minus 3 log y is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Again it is given number 12. Okay, log xy is equal to 5. Okay, using product law we will get log x plus log y is equal to 5. Let it be equation 2. Let log x is equal to a and log y is equal to b. So the first equation will become 2a minus 3b is equal to 0. As you can see, 2a minus 3b is equal to 0. The second equation will become a plus b is equal to 5. Okay, as you can see. Now suppose we will use elimination method. Okay, simultaneous linear equation elimination method. Let us equate the coefficients of b. So multiply 3, 2a minus 3b equal 0 as it is. 3 whole a plus b is equal to 5. This becomes 3a plus 3b is equal to 15. Then add 3b cancel. 2a plus 3a is equal to 5a. 0 plus 15 is equal to 15. So 5a is equal to 15. A is equal to 3. Then putting the value of a in any of the two equations, 2a minus 3b is equal to 0 or a plus b is equal to 5. We will get b is equal to 2. But our work is not over. Now what is a? Log x. So log x is equal to 3. Log x means log x at the base 10. So converting this to exponential form, 10 power 3 is equal to x. 10 power 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to 1000. Then b is equal to 2. What is b? Log y. Log y is equal to 2. Log y means log y at the base 10. So converting to exponential form, we get 10 power 2 is equal to y. 10 power 2 is equal to y, or y is equal to 100. Okay. So x is equal to 1000, y is equal to 100. Okay. So this is the end of logarithms part 2.